Hi guys, welcome to my channel. To those who are new here, welcome. My name is Ashiree, and for today's video, I'm going to introduce to you a note-taking app for the iPad. So maybe the following clips would be more like a voiceover, so that I would be able to show to you the application in a short video but concise. So let's get into it. The application that I'm going to introduce to you right now is the app called CollaNote. CollaNote is a free note-taking app which you can download from the Apple Store. As you can see, I have already made my own folders and notes as I have been using this application ever since I got my iPad. So for this video, I am going to show you the features of CollaNote. Let us first discuss the buttons that we can find at the top of the application. The first button is the login button. You only need to log in to be able to take down notes with others or to share your notes to other CollaNote users. The second button is where you can find the tutorial videos from the developer and other CollaNote users which you may find helpful while using the app. The third one is the refresh button. On the far right, you can find the menu. When you toggle on the organizing mode, you can either delete, move, or rename your file or folder. As of the moment, the style feature is not available for regular users. Next to the menu is the Create Note shortcut. Once you tap the Create Note button, you have the option to rename your file and to choose the paper or template of your choice. For this new note, I will be choosing the square dot paper and rename it to CollaNote. Now let's proceed with the different notes available with CollaNote. First is the pen, next the pencil, the highlight, the lasso, the erase tool, the text, the shape tool, the ruler, hand draw, and the image select. First, the pen tool. You can choose your thickness from 1 to 20 as well as your opacity from 0 to 100%. You can see on the right side of my note that I have already saved my favorite pens and colors. So for this one, I will be choosing a different color and add it to favorites. Now for the pencil tool, you also have the same color options with the pen, as well as the thickness of 1 to 20 and the opacity of 1 to 100%. Let's choose a color and add it to favorites. Now for the highlight tool. For the highlight tool, you have the same color options as with the pen and the pencil. This time, the thickness of the highlight tool can be made from 1 to 50. You can also make a straight line by holding the pen at the end of the stroke. For the lasso tool, you have the option to use a rectangular or freeform shape in selecting your handwriting. With the lasso tool, you can move around text and handwriting, copy the text, and paste it on a different side of the note. You can also format your handwriting by tapping the paintbrush button on the right. Now let's use the freeform lasso to create a copy of the text. For the erase tool, you have the option to erase the whole stroke or a portion of the handwriting. This is how the partial erase tool would look like. For the text tool, you can either type the word or write using your Apple Pencil. You can also format your text by changing its font and color. A laser pointer feature is available when you click the shape button. This comes handy when you want to present something or when you're sharing screens with someone. By clicking the automatic shape tool, it automatically detects what shape you are drawing. You can also draw these shapes by using the pen tool by holding the end of the stroke. If you want to fill the shapes with color, you can use the Fill tool. You can choose between a solid or a watercolor style to fill in the shapes. The ruler tool is very helpful when you want to draw straight lines diagonally, vertically, or horizontally across your note. The hand draw tool allows you to write on your screen using your fingers. The last tool is the Object Select, which is only applicable for text and images added on your note. Allow me to show you other features of the lasso tool. Beside the delete button is the duplicate text. You can also convert your handwriting by tapping on the paragraph button. Next is the mic button. The mic button allows you to record audio which you can sync with your notes. The add button allows you to insert photos from your library and clipboard, as well as insert text box and stickers that is readily available in the app. A new feature of the CollaNote allows you to drag and drop images from other apps, such as your browser, to your note. The last button is for you to add more pages to your notes. On the top left, you can find the menu button, which allows you to change your paper, toggle on or off the highlight behind handwriting option, toggle on and off the favorite tools option, activate dark mode, and other settings you may find helpful while using the app.